Welcome to AI Finance Mastermind, your leading source for cutting-edge insights at the intersection of artificial intelligence, finance, and global geopolitics. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is redefining the global energy landscape, transforming oil markets, and reshaping geopolitical dynamics in 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, actively reshaping industries worldwide, and oil is no exception. AI technologies such as machine learning, predictive analytics, and autonomous systems are being rapidly integrated into every stage of oil production, refining, and distribution. In recent years, major energy companies like ExxonMobil, Shell, and Saudi Aramco have invested billions into AI-driven technologies. They leverage AI to predict equipment failures, optimize drilling operations, enhance resource extraction, and significantly reduce operational costs. Predictive maintenance enabled by AI algorithms has drastically reduced downtime on offshore oil rigs, saving millions annually. AI-driven analytics now pinpoint oil reservoirs with unprecedented accuracy, reducing exploration costs and minimizing environmental impacts. AI doesn't just streamline oil production, it significantly impacts global market stability. Algorithms today manage commodity trading desks worldwide, making split-second decisions based on real-time data, geopolitical developments, and market sentiment analysis. This evolution means oil prices now respond faster and more sharply to global events, amplifying volatility. The 2025 spike in oil prices following geopolitical tensions in the Middle East illustrates perfectly how sensitive the market has become due to AI-driven trading. Within seconds of tensions rising, algorithmic trades triggered cascading buy orders, inflating prices dramatically. Geopolitics in 2025 isn't just about traditional diplomacy, it's also about who controls AI supremacy. Major global powers, the United States, China, Russia, and Saudi Arabia, are investing heavily in AI to bolster their geopolitical leverage through energy control. The U.S. aims to secure energy independence through AI-driven shale oil and gas extraction, drastically lowering its dependency on foreign oil. Meanwhile, China aggressively uses AI to maximize efficiency and output from foreign oil assets, particularly across Africa and South America, as part of its Belt and Road Initiative. Russia leverages AI to enhance extraction from challenging environments like the Arctic, securing strategic dominance in Europe's energy market. Saudi Arabia, traditionally an oil superpower, is transitioning rapidly into a technology hub, investing significantly in AI infrastructure to maintain its global energy leadership. Let's examine how these dynamics are playing out in real-time scenarios. Saudi Arabia's Neom project is an AI-integrated city utilizing cutting-edge energy efficiency and autonomous systems, showcasing AI as an economic diversifier beyond oil. China's Belt and Road Initiative uses AI-driven analytics to optimize infrastructure and energy investments, giving China unprecedented influence in energy policy across partner nations. The U.S. Shale Revolution 2.0 features AI-enhanced hydraulic fracturing techniques that dramatically reduce costs, enabling America to reassert itself as a dominant global energy supplier. For investors, this new AI-driven oil economy presents both risks and substantial opportunities. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for informed investment strategies. Investments in AI technology companies specializing in energy optimization, predictive maintenance, and autonomous solutions are seeing exponential growth. Conversely, traditional oil companies failing to adapt are increasingly risky bets. AI is creating clear winners and losers, and smart investors must adapt quickly to stay ahead. AI is fundamentally transforming oil markets and geopolitical landscapes. Nations and corporations alike are racing to leverage AI for strategic dominance in global energy markets, signaling a profound shift in global power structures. If you found this video valuable and want more insights into how AI shapes finance, energy, and geopolitics, make sure to subscribe to AI Finance Mastermind. Click the bell icon so you never miss our updates. Leave a comment below on your predictions for AI's impact on global geopolitics in the coming years. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next deep dive. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions.